If your watch hours are growing painfully slow, it's not because YouTube hates you. It's not because your channel is shadow banned. And it's definitely not because you're not talented enough. You're stuck because you're doing what most small creators do. And it's quietly killing your watch time without you even realizing it. And once I explain this, you're going to immediately see why your hours feel stuck and how to fix it fast. Here's the truth. 4,000 watch hours is not hard because the number is big. It's hard because most people are trying to reach it the slowest way possible. They're uploading random videos. They're posting short videos hoping it adds up. They're relying on organic discovery alone, even when YouTube hasn't figured out who to push their content to yet. So they end up with 20 views here, 40 views there, 10 minutes watched here. And months later, they're still under 500 watch hours. That's not consistency. That's stagnation. Let me explain something important. Watch hours don't grow from views. They grow from sessions. If someone clicks your video, watches 2 minutes, and leaves, that barely helps you. But if someone watches 10 minutes, then clicks another one of your videos, then another, that's where real watch time comes from. The problem is, most small channels don't have enough traffic to create those sessions consistently. So even if your content is good, it's just not being seen by enough people to stack hours fast. That's the part nobody wants to admit. Now listen. Organic growth does work, but it's slow at the beginning, very slow. Organic growth is like planting seeds and waiting. External promotion is like turning on the water. Both are valid. But if your goal is monetization, waiting alone doesn't make sense. Smart creators combine both. They build solid videos that retain viewers, and they intentionally push those videos in front of the right audience, so watch hours can stack faster. That's how creators hit 4,000 hours in months instead of years. Not by cheating, not by bots, but by being strategic. Here's what actually works, and I want you to listen carefully. Long-form videos between 8 to 15 minutes on one clear topic, organized into playlists, with viewers coming in consistently. That's it. When you combine that with external promotion, you're no longer hoping YouTube finds your audience. You're putting your content directly in front of people who will actually watch. And when real people watch real videos for real time, YouTube rewards that. Watch hours grow, retention improves. Your channel starts looking healthy to the algorithm. That's how monetization becomes realistic. Here's the mistake I see all the time. Creators say, I'll wait until my channel grows first, then I'll promote. But growth doesn't come first. Momentum does. External promotion isn't something you do after growth. It's what helps you reach it faster. If you already have good content and you're just waiting for YouTube to notice you, you're wasting time. And I say that with love. So if your watch hours are crawling, stop blaming yourself. You don't need to upload every day. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to beg the algorithm. You need a strategy that makes sense for where you are right now. Organic growth builds the foundation. External promotion accelerates the process. Use both wisely. And 4,000 watch hours stops being a dream and starts being a deadline. If this video helped you, comment below how many watch hours you're currently on. And if you're ready to stop waiting and start moving faster.